essential. Block brick construction with the ruby red. Those floors could certainly tell a few stories. We've got the permanent flat out the back. That's for the in-laws or for unruly teenagers. So it's more flexible than a Swiss Army knife, and I love, Anita, that you've got your own access to the flat as well. Mike, pull it out, I'll count it. Loving your work, ma'am. Thank you. At 600,000, we are underway at 600 Who would like to with a smile? No. First call at 600,000. At a bit now at 625. That's what I'm chasing down. Twice the offer the money. Thank you, sir. At 600. Oh, no. First call at 625. Six. Oh, even better. I should say no more often. At 660. Puts up the double six at a bit now. Sir, put up another 25. 685. At 685. Does anyone else want to interrupt at any stage? But we've got a race in two at this point in time. At 685,000 at a bit now. Is it 700? Yeah, okay, I'll take the 15. At 700. At 700. Corner side. 720. At 720. Pulls out the phone. I'd love to know what you're doing on the phone. Is that to get some advice from the banker? I don't know. Is it telephone a friend? I'm under no confusion whatsoever. I'm placing a vendor bid at 730. John and Jen don't want to talk to anyone at 730, Anita. I do so unashamedly. But if you bid me back 740, no one else bids, well, we're going to have a chat. But at 730, 740. Right, if no one else bids, sir, I'm going to show you the paperwork. I'm not going to artificially run you up, okay? Fair enough? At 740. They have graciously increased their bid to 795,000 New Zealand dollars. Now on that proviso, we are on the market and we sell. At 795, out she goes. Thank you. Thank you. At 795, it is Nita. Do it again. And sold to you. Well done, Chief.